Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you some fall maintenance for your mower. First, remove the spark plug before you do any work on your lawnmower so it doesn't start up accidentally. Remove your dipstick, and it's as simple as turning over the machine and draining it into a pan. Once it's done draining, tip it back upright, get a funnel, and use the proper oil that your manufacturer requests. Add to manufacturer spec. And one little trick that I do is add a little sea foam, because by doing that you don't have to wait for all the oil to drain down the dipstick tube before you check it. It also has the benefit of being an oil additive that's supposed to help with the engine performance. Next, tip your lawnmower upright again. What I do is I use a fence, and you're going to remove the blade. One of the ways to check to see if it's metric or standard is to look at the head of the bolt. If the head of the bolt has a series of hash marks, it's going to be a standard. Now for safety, you're going to sharpen here and here. You can do it with a file or a grinder or a bench grinder like I am using here. I picked this one up from the big yellow orange store for I think about $16. It was on clearance. It's not very powerful, but it does the job. Some people will use guides for this. I just followed the angle that's already there and try to duplicate it as best I can. Here I'm taking a nail that's already in the wall and bending it and checking for balance. Once I feel satisfied for the balance, reinstall the bolt in the middle. Keep that same block of wood handy. It's kind of a pain, but you can use the block of wood. I realized afterwards I probably should have used a clamp with the block of wood, but I was trying to rush to get it done before the rain came. Once it's on, plug that in and start it back up, see if it runs. Please like, subscribe, and comment.